Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Content Classes. So today we are going to do new pattern questions. Okay, today we are going to do new pattern questions. You will see circular sitting arrangement, new pattern circular pattern, add a n here. Okay, new pattern circular sitting arrangement and degree, and that will be a degree and pi based question. And this lecture is available in Hindi in this playlist, reasoning mains doable question. And this lecture along with more lectures in English will be available in this playlist, reasoning lecture in English. Okay, in this playlist I am adding all the pre and mains level reasoning question in English, so that you can get all the lectures in one playlist. Okay, you can select for whichever examination you are targeting, you can select the video for pre or mains and you can watch it. Okay, these lectures are no way less than any paid lectures. Okay, so without any delay, let's start our class. Let's first do slogs. Okay, so let's first do slog. uh, okay, these are not regular slogs. Okay, you have to do something different. You have to find the one which definitely does not follow. Okay, you have to find those conclusions that definitely does not follow. Okay, in each of the following, what the question is saying, in each of the following question a set of a statement is followed by a state of conclusion. So a set of a statement is followed by a set of conclusion, and one of which is definitely does not follow, and out of this conclusion one of which is definitely does not follow, and choose that as your answer, and you have to choose that option as your answer. Okay, let's talk about the statements. So what's the statement of saying? All kites are rope, all kites are rope, all vans are rope, all vans are rope, some rope are dark, some rope are dark, no dark is van, so no dark is van. So our first statement is no van are dark. So the conclusion in the statement, our first conclusion is no van are dark. So in the statement we got no dark is a van. So no dark is a van or no van is a dark, both are same statement. So statement 1 will follow because this is same statement. Some kites are dark, some kites are dark, this statement will not follow because kite is here and dark is here, both are independent circle. So both so some kites are dark is wrong. Okay, no dark is kite, so dark is here, kite is here. Again these two circles are independent circle, so this conclusion will be wrong. Okay, only possibility will be true. Okay, I drop a big hint here for your answer. All rope being dark is a possibility, all rope being dark is a possibility. No, this is wrong because this part of van will never be a part of dark, so this statement is wrong. Okay, all kite being dark is a possibility. Yes, this statement is true because we can make a dark circle like this, and all kite will be dark. And apart from that, kite and dark, these two are independent circle, so the possibility phase will be true. Okay, so all kite being dark is a possibility, this statement is true. So since this statement is true, these two statements cannot be definitely false, because two because to be a state, for a statement to be definitely does not follow statement. Okay, for a statement to be definitely does not follow, then the possibility case, there should not be any possibility case also, because let's see here, because if there will be any possibility case, then the statement will not be definitely does not follow. Let's look here, this option number D, all rope being dark is a possibility. So this possibility statement will never be true. Why? Because this part of van will never be a part of dark, and so this whole rope will never be a part of dark. Okay, so our answer is option number D. Answer is D. Okay, three conclusions were wrong, but our answer is D, because the question is asking which one definitely does not follow. Okay, let's move to question number 2. No apple is lens. No apple is lens. Okay, all spark are giants. Okay, so there is no spark are giants. Some yolk are apple. So let's make like this. Some yolk are apple. No spark is apple. No spark is apple. Okay, next, all spark are giants. So all sparks are giants. Conclusion number one, some yolk are giants. So yolk is here, giant is here, both are independent circle. This is statement is wrong. Some yolk is lens. Yolk is here, lens is here. These two are independent circle. So the definite conclusion will be wrong. So all yolk being lens. Okay, all yolk being lens is a possibility. So this part of yolk will never enter lens. So this possibility is wrong, and this is definitely wrong because this statement can never be true. Once a statement is definitely wrong, then he will be wrong always. Okay, no lens are giant. No lens are giant. What do you mean by this? So this is lens and this is giant. Okay, these two are independent circle. So there is a possibility case between these two, because if a statement is like this, some lions being giant is a possibility, yes, then that will be a true statement because these two are independent circle. We can make a lens circle like this. Okay, so this statement is wrong. No lens is giant. All apples being giant is a possibility. All apple being giant is a possibility. Yes, this is true because we can make apple circle like this. Or you can say that apples and giant are two independent circle. So the possibility cases between two will be true. Okay, so some yolk is giant. So far our answer is answer number C. D, we have checked. D is not definitely does not statement because there is a possibility case existing between them. And some yolk are giant. Some yolk are giant. Some yolk are giant. Look, these two are also independent circle. We can make yolk and giant like this. So some yolk can be giant and some yolk can be lens. We can make yolk circle like this. Okay, so some yolk can be lens is also not our definitely, it does not follow statement. So our answer is answer number C. Okay, our answer is answer number C. Okay, next question. Some basket are well. Look, I have something to tell. The first video that I posted in English, okay, there was some decent amount of views, but next you guys are watching, the likes are going up. No, the likes of the videos are going up. Last video, the like and views ratio is very good. Okay, so do share this video with your friend. My student base is those students that speak Hindi, but I am making these lectures in English so that it can reach many. Okay, there are many students that are not very much comfortable in Hindi, so that's why I record these lectures in English separately for you guys. So please make some effort, share these lectures in your different groups, study groups. Okay, tell your friends that there is a channel that's uploading lectures in completely in English. So tell them to follow the channel, subscribe the channel, like the video, and tell them to like it if they find the content useful for their upcoming examinations. Okay, so let's move to the question number 3. Some basket are wall. Some basket are wall. All wall are paint. All wall are paint. Many paints are sharp. So the statement many here is saying many will be treated as some. Okay, many will be treated as some. Many paint are sharp means some paint are sharp. Okay, no shark is a rainbow. No shark is a rainbow. Okay, so conclusion number A says some basket are paint. So this part of paint is also basket. So this statement is true. No rainbow is shark. Rainbow is here and shark is here. Okay, our statement was no shark is rainbow. This is just reverse statement of that. No rainbow is shark. So this is also true. Okay, all wall being shark is a possibility. Look, no statement. Now either you say no shark is rainbow or no rainbow is shark. Both means same thing. Okay, so that's why the conclusion not true. All wall being shark is a possibility. All wall being shark is a possibility. Yes, wall and shark are two independent circle, so we can make all wall being shark is a possibility. The possibility exists between these two. And some shark are wall, some shark are wall. This is wrong, this is wrong, because wall is here, shark is here, wall is here and shark is here, but we can't say that some shark are wall. But our answer is not D, our answer is not option number D. Why? Because to be a for being a statement definitely does not follow statement, definitely does not follow, or being a statement to be definitely does not follow, then there should not be any possibility case in this in which this statement starts following. Okay, our statement is some shark are wall, some shark are wall. So look, wall is here, shark is here, the definite conclusion is wrong. But if we write like this, some shark are wall is a possibility, is a possibility. Now tell me this, that this statement is correct or wrong. This statement is correct. Since this statement is correct, we can make shark like this. So some wall are being shark. Okay, this possibility is following and it's not violating any of the basic statement. So this possibility is correct. So since this possibility is correct, so this statement can't be a definitely does not follow statement. So what is our answer in this question? Our answer in this question is answer number E. Okay, these free lectures are no way less than any paid courses you see online. These are free because I wish to teach free so that many students can benefit from these lectures. Okay, some planet are big. Question number 4. Some planet are big. Some planet are big. All big are train. All big are train. All train are lost. All train are lost. No lost is shadow. No lost is shadow. Okay, all planet being shadow is a possibility. All planet being shadow is a possibility. So this statement is wrong. Why this statement is wrong? Because this part of planet can never be a part of shadow, because this part is coming inside the part of loss, and all loss, no lost is shadow. Okay, no loss is shadow, and this part is coming under loss. So this is our definitely does not follow statement. Next statement, all shadow being planet is a possibility. Look, in conclusion number A and in conclusion number B, there is only word swap. Planet from here, planet is here, and from shadow from here, it's here. But this swiping of words has impacted very much. Okay, it has changed the whole ball game here. Okay, so all shadow being planet is a possibility. This statement is a true because you can make all shadow being planet like this. So this statement is true because this is a possibility that all shadow being planet. So next statement, all big are lost. Yes, all big circle is inside lost circle. All big is lost. No big is a shadow. No big is shadow. Yes, no big will be shadow because big is inside the circle of loss. So no big is shadow and no shadow is terrain. Yes, this is also true because train is inside the circle of loss, and since all loss since no loss is shadow, so no train will be shadow. So all other statement follow. So our answer in this question is answer number 4. Answer number A. Answer number A. Sorry. Question number 4. Question number 4. Answer is A. Next question. Okay. If you are liking the video, if you are enjoying the video, do drop a like. Okay. Some pigs are clear. Some pigs are clear. Okay. Some clear are crane. Some clear are crane. Okay, all crane are thieves. All cranes are thief. All thieves are clear. Okay. You can't make like this. You can't make like this because there is a catch here. You can't make like this because the last statement is saying all thieves are clear and all crane are thieves. Okay, all crane are thieves. All crane are thieves and all thieves are clear. Okay, some clear are crane. All crane are thief. All crane are thief and all thieves are clear. All thieves are clear. Okay, some clear are crane. No, this question is wrong. Okay, this question is wrong. I have while noting down there is some typo here. Crane, all thieves. Let me check. All cranes are thieves. All cranes are thief. All thieves are clear. All thieves are clear. Then some clear are crane. These two statement. These two violates this statement. So let's leave it. Let's leave this question. Let's come to question number, our puzzle question. Okay. So this is statement. This okay. Try to solve this question. In this question, there is something that you need to learn. Okay. Oh, I am not plugging the mic. I hope the video was, the recording was okay. The sound was okay. Okay, I will check it. Okay, so let's start solving this question. To solve this question, first you need to know, you need to have some knowledge of pi radians. Okay, what is pi radian? Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Okay, if you don't know this concept, you will skip this question. But this question is very easy. This is mains reasoning doable question says. Okay, so pi radian is 182 degrees. So 3 by 4 pi radians means 3 by 4 into 180 degree. So what will be our answer? So subtract 1/4 from 180. What is the 1/4 of 180? 180 half is 90. 90 half is 45. Subtract 45 from 180. 135 degree will be your answer. Pi by 2 radians means 90 degree. Pi by 2 radians. Okay. I hope then it is. I hope everything is clear now. Try to solve this question. It's easy. Yavar is sitting at an angle of 3 by 4 pi radians. So Yavar is sitting at an angle of 3 by 4 pi radians in anti-clockwise direction with Zorawar. Correct it? It's not Zorawar, it's Zahid. Okay, it's Zahid. From Z, it's sitting at 135 degree in anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Yavar and Usha form an angle of pi by 2 radian with each other. So Yavar and Usha is forming an angle of 90 degree with each other. One person sits between Rahul and Tarun. So Rahul and Tarun, only one person is sitting between Rahul and Tarun. Neither Tarun nor Rahul is an immediate neighbor of Yavar. So neither Rahul nor Tarun is immediate neighbor of Yavar. Wasim sits an angle of pi by 2 radians in clockwise direction of Sudha. So from Sudha, Wasim sits at pi by 2 radians. Wasim sits at pi by 2 radians means 90 degree. Means 90 degree. 90 degree. Okay. In clockwise. In clockwise direction. Sudha is not an immediate neighbor of either Tarun or Yavar. So Sudha is not an immediate neighbor of either Tarun and Yavar. Okay, Sudha is not an immediate neighbor of either Tarun or Yavar. So our all hint are being noted here. So let me change the color of the ink. Let's make this. Okay, so let's make the circuit. Oh, let me make it freshly. Okay. Okay. Again I did it. Okay, let's solve this in this puzzle. Okay, let's solve this puzzle. So what is the best hint here? The best hint is here, this, that from z in anti-clockwise direction, means in right direction, all are facing center. It's given that all are facing center. Okay, it's written here, it's written here that all are facing center. From some z, it's from anti-clockwise direction, y is sitting. So this direction is 90 degree, then this is 45 degree. So 90 plus 45, 135 degree. So here Yavar will be sitting from z. Okay, from the Yavar will be sitting here. Now we know that Sudha and Wasim, Sudha and Varis, S and W are sitting at 90 degree clockwise direction. So if you place Sudha here and Varis here, then what you can place? Sudha is here and Varis is here. Then you can place. Then there will not be any case where you will be able to place R and T. The R is not an immediate neighbor of Y. R and T is not an immediate neighbor of Sudha. Okay, so you can't place R and T here. So there will be one case that you can place Sudha here and Varis here. Since Sudha is here and Varis is there, so we need that 1% gap between R and T is not an immediate neighbor. T is not an immediate neighbor of Sudha, so T can't come here, so R will be coming here, T will be coming here, and who will be coming here? Who will Y and U will be coming at a gap of 90 degree. So Y is here, then at the gap of 90 degree U will be coming here. So only one person is left. Who is that person? Vidya. Vidya will be coming here. Okay, Vidya will be coming here. So this puzzle is solved. Vidya, look, this is 90 degree, no? This is 45. This is 45 degree, and this is also 45 degree. So Y and U are at the gap of 90 degree. So our all conclusion, all hint are being used, and our question is solved here. So how you are liking this lecture? Okay, I am trying my best to deliver lectures in English and as well as in Hindi. So if you are finding these efforts useful for your upcoming examinations, do hit the like button, share with your friends. I will be sharing more and more mains level questions with you, and pre-levels question obviously also with you, so that you can ace your examination with flying colors. Okay, we will meet in the next video. I am stopping the recording now. Okay, all the best guys for your upcoming examinations. We will meet in the next video. All the best guys.